This conference will now be recorded.
Right, let's start today's session. In the last session of ASP.NET, we were discuss about validation controls. Now, in this session, I'm going to discuss two more important controls. So that are uh, first one is file upload control, and next one is calendar control. If time permit, I will discuss ASP.NET page lifecycle events also. So first, I'm going to discuss about file upload control here. So this control is important to upload a file into server. So what is the use of file upload control? First, let me write. So file upload control. So file upload control is used to upload the file into server. So this is the advantage actually. So file upload control is used to upload the file into server. File to the server, we can say that. File to the server. So file upload control is used to upload the file to the server. So it's very simple logic. But how to work with file upload control, we'll discuss in detail with the help of web page. Now we can see this is the website what we have. This is ASP.NET Web Application. So now in the Solution Explorer, we have ASP.NET Web Application here, Web Application 1. We have so many web pages, no matter it is. Let's try to create one more web page here. Go to add new item, project menu, add new item, and select a web form template I'm selecting. So web form 26.aspx. Click on add it. So first of all, I would like to discuss, I would like to add some file upload control. So the file upload control, how to add it. Now you can see this, we are in the design mode. You just go to toolbox. So there is a control called file upload control. Where is the file upload control? Do you have any file upload control here? Yes. Now you can see file upload control. Double click on this. You'll be able to notice that file upload control clearly. But actually this file upload control is just used to uploading process. But really it won't upload. You can able to click on browse and select the file. So whatever the file is selected, that is present here in the text box associated. And really if you want to upload this file, then we need one more button control also required. So that button control I'm taking separately. So normal ASP.NET button control. So this is the button control. This is the button control. And whether file is uploaded or not successfully, I need to take one label also. Now you can see label control I'm taking. Label. So this label and this button, these are the normal ASP.NET controls, and this is completely together. It is browse option will be there. So this is file upload control. File upload 1, it's a name. Let's try to select all together and let's go to font and make it as bold. Now size, I'm going to increase the size for clear visibility. And this button name I'm changing. So just his button name is btn upload, btn upload, btn upload. It's a button name actually. Button identification starts with btn. Now the text of the control, what is the text here? I'm taking text is upload file or upload, we can say that. So upload. After completion of this, we have to do upload. So we have to browse it, then after upload it. As soon as when we click on upload the file, then it's going to be upload a file. But whether it is uploaded or any error thing is there, you have to display this. So for that purpose, I'm taking label. So this label is just for LBL display or else LBL message, we can say that. LBL message. LBL message. It's my label name, and you can able to remove the text also for clear visibility. So this is the file upload control example. Just I'm taking design here. File upload 1 is a control name. This is button. When we click on button control, file should be uploaded. Now in this label message, just for displaying that whether it is uploaded file successfully or not, I have to display. So this is the design, we have to do this. So where we have to write the code here. So after completion of design, so where we have to write the code. So we have to write the code here in the button click upload, double click on upload button, and we have to write the code only. So what code you have to write? Now let me write it quickly. So double click on button control, upload. Double click on upload button. Now we have to write the code here. What code I have to write now? So file upload one is a control name. File upload one is a control name. Dot dot save as is a method. Save as is a method. So it's a built-in method actually. So file upload one is a control name. So save the content of an uploaded file into specified path on the web server. So file upload one dot save as. So I'm going to take where you want to save. Actually right now I'm not going to store in database, just I want to store in my ASP.NET website folder actually. So here's go to Solution Explorer. You have to create one simple folder here. Right click on web application one. So here I want to store my file. Right click on web application one. Just wait. I'm just right click on web application one. I'm just go to add one folder. So it is normal folder actually. It is a new folder. I'm trying to add a folder name is called uploads. Uploads folder is a name here. So here uploads is a folder name actually. In this folder I want to upload a files. One folder is there clearly. So file upload one dot save as. So server dot map path is a function. Server dot map path. So server dot map path is used to upload the file onto your website. So this is the method actually, server dot map path. But actually you have to specify the path properly here. How to specify the path properly? So how to double code we have to use. And now you can see tilde symbol is required, slash symbol is required. What is the folder name? Uploads, then slash. So this is the format actually. Uploads folder is available. Now after that I need to do plus. So file upload one dot file name. What file we have to upload? File upload one dot file name. File name means file name from where you have to select. File upload one is a file name. Now so file upload one is a control name. From that control, whatever we choose the file, that file name I have to upload it. Now close it. Now I need to display in the label lbl message dot text. Lbl message dot text equals to what I need to do? File uploaded. I want to say that. So that's all. So after file uploaded, I need to show that is in the label green color. That is optional thing actually. If you want to display that green color, you can able to do this. LBL message dot for color equals to. So here color is not available. That's what I'm taking system dot drawing dot color dot. What I'm taking green. Just. So this is very simple code which I'm taking without validation. I'm just uploading the file. Understand? So before going to execute this, what we need to do, sir? Go to Solution Explorer, right click on web application one, add a new folder with the name uploads. So we have to so here you can see, go to Solution Explorer, right click on web application one, click on add new folder with the name, uploads. After that we have to double click on upload button, and we have to write this code. What code you have to write? This code you have to write it in the upload button. So let's try to do this. So easily we can just, I'm going to show a simple mechanism, just how to upload the file. It's a simple ways, but actually this is not right way to upload. So I will do the validation through also. Yes, validation is also important here. Validation means what? Whether correct file or not, correct file we are uploading or not, we have to check out. Let's run this now. Up to now web form 26.aspx. Now let it be load it. takes time for the first time. Then we execute that ASP.NET web page. Now you can see this. Something is going to be wrong actually here. So choose file, it is there, no file chosen automatically here. We are not able to click on browse option. So no problem, it is browser to browser, it is different actually. Let's go to choose file. I'm going to choose the file here to upload the files. Let's go to any folder. Now I'm going to upload this folder hover1 dot. Now you get hover1.doc, it is there. You just click on upload. Now you can see file uploaded here, clearly it is showing in the green color. Understand? So file uploaded, it is there in the green color. So now you can see after that uploading successfully, so where we have to check out. So if you want to check that whether file is successfully uploaded or not, you just right click on uploads folder. Okay, so what we can say, open in folder in file explorer you have to use. Now double click on it. Now you can see hover1 document is uploaded or not. Yes, so this is going to be uploaded successfully. So today date is 27/04/2020 it's successfully uploaded. But the problem in this example is what actually, whenever I'm trying to execute again, if you are not going to choose the file, so actually if you want to upload the file you have to choose the file, but I'm not going to choose the file, just directly I'm uploading. Now we'll able to get exception or not. Yes, you can see this exception here, we got an exception clearly. So now to avoid this case, we have to write the code here. So now I'm going to write here. So in the above example, in the above example, if we are not, if we are not choose any file to upload, then we will get exception. We'll get exception actually. So in the above example, if we are not choose any file to upload, then we'll get exception. So to avoid this, we need to write the following code. What is the code is required actually? So to avoid this, so we have to write the condition here. If file is available, then only I have to upload. If file is not available, then I don't want to upload. So how do you know that? So if condition I'm writing, if file upload one dot, so there is a method called has file is there. If the file is there already selected, then I need to execute this complete code, sir, with green color label. So file upload one dot has file. If it is there, then it should be upload. Then in the else part, what I'm taking in the else part. So what I'm taking in the same message, please select a file to upload. I want to say that lbl message dot text lbl message dot text equals to. So I'm going to say that please select a file to upload. I need to say that please select a file to upload. So please select a file to upload. How it will be there, this will be in the red color. I would like to say that. So whenever file is not selected, not chosen by the programmer, so I need to say that into red color, not in green color. If successfully uploaded, then I need to say green color. Not uploaded, then I should say red color. That's all optional. This required code is if else condition is required. So this code is important here. Now the validation one is clearly done. So this is the code we have to write this like this. If condition true, we have to write it. Understand? So let's execute this now. Whenever I'm not trying to select the file to upload, so what will happen here? It will be show clearly the message in the label itself. So that message is what actually please select a file to upload. It's going to be there. Now you can see this. I'm not going to choose any file to upload into my folder of website, but now it is going to show in the error message clearly here. Error message. Now you can see I'm going to upload directly. Now please select a file to upload. It is coming clearly. So this is what we are avoiding the exception clearly. We are indicating message to the user to select a file properly here. So this is one kind of restriction we are providing. But another kind of restriction I would like to provide. So what restriction I would like to provide are here. Okay, so suppose I would like to choose the files. Only I want to allow them to upload the files, document files only. Word files only I want to create. So doc format, dot document format, or dot docx format I would like to upload, and that too. So I don't want to upload that files more than 2 MB size. So these two operations I would like to apply. So validation one, what I need to do, validation one. So the only allowed file extension is dot doc or else dot docx docs. So the only allowed file extension is dot docs or else dot docs. Any one you can use. These two only I want allowed. Next, validation 2. Validation 2 I would like to do that. Validation 2. The file size should not exceed 2 MB. The file size should not exceed 2 MB. These two requirements I need to fulfill. So the allowed file extension will be what's our dot doc or else dot docs, docs only. Any file format, Word document only I would like to allow. And that too, what I need to do, validation 2 is what the file size should not be exceed 2 MB. If exceeded 2 MB, then what we need to do? So we have to show that clearly. Yes, some cases we'll see in real-time examples, even though whenever you apply online examination format, so your photo or file should be, or resume should not be exceeded that some more size. So that's what, to avoid this, we have to filter it here. So how to filter it, we will discuss now. So same code, I'm going to modify that. So in this code only I'm doing modification. So in this file upload one dot has file, what I'm taking in the string format, I'm taking here what I'm taking in the string format. So if the file is available now, string. So I'm taking here file extension equals to, file extension is my variable name. Okay, so how we can able to get file extension, system.io dot path will be there, system.io dot path. So get extension will be there. Get extension is a method. So from where I have to filter it extension, file upload one dot file name. So here I have to check out. So whenever we are uploading that file name, whatever we upload from the file upload one control name dot file name, so that extension we are getting this file name. Whatever we choose the file name, that extension will get that path, this system.io dot path dot get extension, that will be stored in the string format, that is file extension. So I'm going to write the condition here again. What condition I'm writing? If file extension is a my variable, file extension dot, I'm just converting that to lower function, because every time file maybe extension should be, somebody will give the capital letters or small letters, but I would like to convert into all the cases are small letter. I'm checking not equals to dot doc not equal to dot doc, and also I need to filter it clearly, and file extension dot to lower is a method actually, not equals to dot docx. If file extension dot to lower not equal to dot doc, file extension dot to lower not equal to dot docx. If not, what I need to display in the label message? So what I need to display in the label message? So lbl message dot text equals to only files or else we can say the allowed file extension is .doc or .docx. Only the allowed file extension is .doc or .docx. So same thing, I need to take that in the red color. So let's take label message. That's red color I need to display. Now else part I need to take here. Else I need to take. Else, open and close. Else part I need to take. In the else part, so what I need to discuss here, let's close it. In the else part, what I need to take, so again we have to take in the else part, let's close this bracket here, not here. Let's close it now. In the else part, what I need to do, file has to be uploaded, but before uploading, what we need to do, int file size also I need to discuss. File size, so file size is also required, should not be exceed 2 length, it's 2 MB. So int file size, int file size equals to file upload one dot, file upload one dot, posted file, posted file, posted file dot content length will be there. What will be there? Content length. So content length int file size equals to file upload one dot posted file dot content length. So you have to check out content length. Okay, this is the if else part, it is going to be there, if else part. Now in else part, what I need to do, this is file is selected, file is updated. Now after that, what I need to take here, observe carefully here, int file size. Now here I need to take again if condition. If condition I'm taking. What I'm taking if condition, file size, file size, if file size, file size, if file size greater than, greater than. So here I need to discuss one thing, 2097152. What is this, sir? 2097152. I am asking you to convert that into 2 MB only, no? Yes, 2 MB only. So if the file size is what we can say, if the file size is greater than 2097152, it is exceeding. So I need to tell in the label message, that is in red color. Let's copy this and place into here. Now you can see this, I need to place maximum size 2 MB exceeded, I need to display. Max size 2 MB exceeded. Exceeded I need to display, that is in red color. So again in else part I need to take, so else part I have to display. So this should be in the else part only. Let's include that here, bracket. So I need to upload file upload one dot save as server dot map path, that is clear here. So you may get one simple doubt, sir, what is this file size 2097152? Let me open calculator. You know very well 1024 bytes equal to 1 MB. Okay, so now you can see 1024 into 1024 equals to how much? Here it is 10,000, sorry, what we can say, 1024 into 2, I can say that. This is how much? 2097152. Yeah, 1024. But I am going to multiply with 2 MB. This is 1 MB actually. So 1 MB, that is into 2, I can say that. 2 MB, no? Now 2 MB is nothing but 2097152. So if file size exceeded 2097152, I need to display max size 2 MB exceeded, I need to display. Otherwise, I need to upload the file. So here two validations are done clearly here. File size should not be exceeded. Okay, this is the complete code actually. Let's copy and paste it. Let's complete. 1 2. Yes, this is complete code after successful validation. Now let me run this. So my file should not be exceeded 2 MB, and also only document things will be required. Only .doc format is required. Other formats should not allow. Okay, and even though file should be upload compulsory, without uploading a file, whenever I try to do the upload button, whenever I'm clicking on upload button, that should be give the error actually. What error? So file compulsory should be upload like this. I have to use this. Now let's try to do this. Let's execute now. I'll try to make that file. First, I would like to try to upload some .exe file or more than 2 MB file I'm going to upload. Let's try to upload 2 MB file. Let's minimize this. First, let me check one by one validations quickly. Yeah, let's run this now. Form 26. Now you can see I'm not going to upload a file. Just please select a file to upload. Understand? Now I'm going to choose a file, but I'm not going to choose a document file. Let's try to execute executable file I'm going to choose. Suppose here this is executable file I'm just showing. Okay, now click on open. Now you can see this console app dot project menu. Now the load file extension is .doc or .exe is there. Now I'm going to take one more file. So that is text file only or document file only. But even though that is document file, that should not exceed in the 2 MB. So let's upload it. Now you can see file uploaded. Why? Because this file is not uploaded, not exceeded 2 MB. Let's try to check out whether it is 2 MB is there or more it is there. So let's go to that file location which is uploaded successfully. Now this is the file which was uploaded. Now our two material I uploaded. Now you can see this 475 KB is there. So it's a KB. It is only not exceeded 2 MB. It is below 2 MB only. That's what it is successfully uploaded. You can go to Solution Explorer and upload files. Right click on it and you can see this open folder in File Explorer. Two files successfully uploaded. Now I would like to create one file which is Word document file which is more than 2 MB. Which is more than 2 MB. I need to select some file. Let me choose that more than 2 MB file which is there. I think this is the document. Yes, all KBs only there. How I can make that large document? Yes, we have a document. You don't worry about that. Large document is there, Word document. I need to upload this document now. I can see this. So this document, yes, Python main document, yes, 624 KB only it is there. How I can make this more than exceeding? Yeah, otherwise we'll do one thing. Just wait. I'll prepare one document here, Word document. I'll make this more size exactly. My doc or something like this I'm taking. In this file, I'm going to take large content here. One time I'm pasting, and one more time I'm pasting. Again, one more time, and one more time. Okay, just wantedly I want to increase the size of the file. So let's close it now. Just save it. Now this document size, let's try to do this. How much size it is there? How much size it is there? How we can able to get the size details? Yes. Let's try to get this properties. Now you can see 1.3 MB is there, still 1.3 MB is there. Let's I would like to make exceeding 2 MB file. Let's try to make this. Now this is, I think, 2 MB cross. Let's save it now. Now let's try to show that properties, and now you can see 2.7 MB is there. Actually it was 2 MB only. Let's try to upload this now. It should not allow, because we have seen validation, 3 validation we have seen. File, if really file is not uploaded, if you do uploading, it will show please upload, please select a file to upload. If I choose the file, okay, so successfully uploaded whenever we receive that. Other file, if we choose, then what happened? So please upload, only allowed extension is .documents only, .doc or .x. Now this my doc is there. This is more than 2 MB actually. Now you can see this, click on upload. Now what happened? Max size 2 MB is exceeded. It is not going to be uploaded here. So these are the validations through we did this file upload control clearly. So this is about complete file upload control discussion. So with validation clearly here. So what code is there? Very clear. Previously, you should write the code in the upload button. But why not we should write code here? This is browse option only, just for upload, select the file only. It will not really upload. If you want to upload, you should write code under button click event only. So this is the button click event which I have written file upload. So if file not selected, so I have to check file upload one dot as file. If file is there, yes, file is there. If file is there, what I need to do? File extension I need to get your uploaded file extension. If that file extension is .doc or .docs, anyone, then only I need to upload. If not equal to .doc, other file is there, I need to show the allowed file extension is .doc or .docs. Else I need to check out again file upload on posted file dot content length. Length should be not exceeded 2 MB. If 2 MB exceeded, then max size is 2 MB. After that all validation, else part I have to upload the file. Even you have not at all select the file, then you have to go to else part. Please select a file to upload like this one. This is complete file upload control discussion. It is very important control. Next, another control is there like in ASP.NET, that also important. But apart from that control, we have some AJAX control also. Later we'll discuss AJAX control. Now calendar control I'm going to discuss. Calendar control. So calendar control purpose is what? Just for display the calendar. Yes. Now here you can say calendar control. So calendar control. So calendar control is used to display, calendar control is used to display the date and time to the user. So calendar control is used to display the date and time to the user. So calendar control default event is what I will tell you. So before that, let me design something about calendar control. So for that, I'm taking a new web form. I'm adding new web form. So select web form template and go to add. Now you can see this. Yes. Now for that I'm taking one text box I'm taking, because that selected date and time I need to display in the text box control itself. And after that one calendar I need to display. What is that calendar? So calendar control I need to take. Where is the calendar control is there? Now you can see calendar control is present in the standard tab. No, it is not present in the standard tab. So if not standard tab, then where we need to do this? Yes, let's go with calendar control. Yes, it is there. Calendar control. Now this is the calendar control. Clearly it is there. Yes, calendar and text box. But now I need to when calendars should be appear actually. In general real time, the text box after we have some calendar image. So let me check out first calendar properties. Now these are the properties of the calendar and events. Selection changed event. Default event of calendar is selection changed. So calendar control is used to display the date and time to the user. The default event for calendar control is selection changed. The default event for calendar control is selection changed. Okay, this is the default event for calendar control. Now along with calendar control and text box, I need to take one image control. Actually image control, not that is image button control. Image button is act as a click event is there. Image button control. So image button is act as same button control, but whenever you click on image, so that event will be fired. Now you can see here I'm taking image control. So image button control, the image button control event also is what actually. So this is image button control. But do we have image? We have to upload image? No. Yes, to upload image onto this, we need some image actually. But before that, let me increase the font size of the text box control for clear visibility of a calendar date and time. So extra large I'm taking. Now image control is there, image button is there. Image button default event is here, click event. And the property is there, image URL. You just click on image URL to upload image, but we don't have any images. But I would like to place some calendar image into my website. So where I should get calendar image? So you just go to Google and download some proper calendar image. Calendar image. So these are the calendar images are there. Any calendar you can select. Just as soon as when user click on the calendar, I need to display calendar only. Now images will be there. Yeah, this is calendar. Let's try to save image as calendar on desktop. Now image is saved successfully. Now that image you can copy and paste from here to there, where in your website. Let's copy and paste into your website. Now you can see I'm placing that into website. Right click on web application 1 and paste that image. So calendar image is available. Now upload the calendar image. Now you can see select the image button control, go to properties, image URL is there, ellipse button, calendar.png image is there. Now you can see it is actually big size. You can able to reduce the size also for clear visibility. So just as per user convenient I'm taking. This is just calendar image. User should click on this calendar image. Then I need to take this calendar clearly. This is about design actually. This is calendar image. Okay, calendar image. Now just I want to increase the size for just visibility purpose. This is calendar image. Now as soon as when I execute this, so what is happening you can check out here. Right now we don't have any coding actually. Let's try to write coding later. But my requirement is this is image button actually. It is image button. Let's try to execute this. Calendar control is there, text box control is there, image button control is there. Three controls are there. Whenever I execute this web page, first event will be raised. What? Page load event will be raised. When the page is loaded, what's happening? Everything is going to become. But actually, this calendar control should not visible directly. Understand? It should not visible directly. Whenever page is loaded, it should not visible. So to make invisible in the page load event, what I'm writing, how to raise page load event, right click on the page and view code. This is page load event. So I'm taking calendar one dot visible equals to false. Calendar one dot visible equals to false. Where I'm writing in the page load. In the page, whenever the page is loaded, I don't want to display calendar that is visible equals to false. I'm taking now form 27 and let's run this. When the form is loaded automatically, calendar is not going to be visible. You can see this. It's not going to be visible. When the page is loaded, calendar is not going to visible. Is there any visible? No visible. When it should come? As soon as when I click on this calendar image, this is image button, then calendar should appear. So under this calendar image button control, I have to write code. What code I have to write? Yes, you can see double click on this image button. So image button default event is what? Click event. So image button double click and I need to make to visible calendar now. Calendar one dot visible equals to true. Calendar one dot visible equals to true. True means what? As soon as whenever I click on button control, then calendar is going to be visible. That is true only. So let's run this again. First, when the page is loaded, calendar is invisible. As soon as when we click on image button control, calendar is appear now. After appearing the calendar, what we need to do? You have to select the proper date and date from the calendar. Okay, now you can see this. When the page is loaded, calendar is invisible because I have written in the page load event calendar one dot visible equal to false. Whenever I click on image button control, now calendar is coming. Now observe carefully. You can able to select the calendar clearly. Now here I'm selecting the date and time. Is it appear? Is it possible to display any date and time? No, because you have not written code for calendar control selection date and time. So let's write the calendar control code. So what is the default event for calendar control? Now you can see the default event for calendar control is selection changer. Now double click on calendar control. Now calendar one dot selection changer is there. But now where I have to display date and time, so in the text box control. So text box one dot text equals to text box one dot text equals to, from where you have to get the date and time, calendar one dot selection date dot to string or too long date time string or anything. You can say that. Just I'm taking two string. Just let me try to do this. Too long date string, too long time string, too short date string, too short time string, or two strings like this. Let's show these different modes. Text box one dot text equals to calendar one dot selected date comma dot to string. But observe carefully, one more important thing is required. After selection, after interaction with calendar control for choosing date and time, and after completion of selection, it has to be invisible again. Yes. When the page is loaded, calendar should not be visible. That's what I have written in the page load event, calendar one dot visible equal to false. When you click on image button control, like calendar image, calendar should be appear. Yes, it is appearing. After that, I have written when we click on this 16th date, now you can see this 16th 4 2020 is there, but now it is calendar is going to be happening like this. It's not going to appear. Now again you can select this. Now you can see this, it's coming like this only. So this is that calendar date and time is going to be appear. But now here, so it is not going to appear everything, only date, selected date I'm taking. That's what it is going to appear, date only. Now you can see this calendar one dot selected date dot too long, or else too long date string, too long time string like this. Just I'm going to select time string, and it's going to be appear like this. So options are there, you can use, but actually this cannot be used in reality. Why it is not going to be reused in reality, later we'll discuss, because we have some excellent AJAX control like calendar control. Built-in AJAX control will be there, that is calendar control. So instead of this, we can use that calendar control directly without writing code, without this many events generation. Directly you can drag and drop the calendar control in the text box, automatically calendar is visible. Now you can see this is appear here. Yeah, it is not coming. So because we have chosen just time string only, so that is date format is better option here. Let's try to do this. Select a date to long time string. We don't have long time strings. Select to string is the better. To string. So calendar one dot selected. I think something is missing. Let's try to do this. No problem. Yes, this is enough. Because even we are not going to use any control here. Just I'm showing what is the difference between calendar as well as AJAX control. Later we'll discuss AJAX control also. Don't worry about this. Selected date, we can make it as selected dot to string. We can say that. So this is about today's session. In tomorrow's session, we'll discuss ASP.NET Page Lifecycle and events with practical examples we'll discuss. So after that, we'll start ADO.NET session. This is the code we have to write under the calendar. So this is the design and this is the code. So see you tomorrow at same time.